What the heck?
Before we get going on this video, we just wanted to thank you guys so much for all your orders of Motor Munch jerky. You guys sold us out in like 2 days.
It's pretty awesome, really.
Yeah.
We appreciate it very much. It's always scary when you start a new endeavor. We have just received a small drop of jerky, but it's limited supply, so if you guys didn't get some or you want some more, jump on our website and you can get some more.
Yeah, at motormunchjerky.com. Now's the time to try it because it's going to be gone really soon because like we said, it's a smaller batch.
With more to come though.
Yes. So usually when you drop something, there's always a few people that don't like it. We have literally never heard of anybody not liking this jerky. They've all been loving it.
A lot of people were skeptical about the pork. They've never had it. It's good.
People are loving it. You guys aren't going to want to miss out. So go to motormunchjerky.com.
We got a new project. It's not even in the shop technically, it's by the shop. So it's my dump truck. So we've been using this old girl, hauling gravel for the concrete out here and stuff. And it's become obvious we need sideboards. So we got to put some sideboards in here today. We are not putting boards in it. There's no reason to put something in there that's gonna break and fall off in no time at all. So let me show you what we're gonna do. We ordered up some 12-inch by 2-inch metal. We're gonna cut that, make it fit right in there, weld it in. It's gonna be perfect. We'll be able to haul a little bit more dirt and shouldn't have to fix them all the time. So we'll see how that turns out today. I almost forgot I have to build an attachment for my high lift to move my camp trailer as well. So we've got lots of little projects to knock off today. We're gonna get them all done, I hope. Well, we got to. All right, look at that. Bunch of asphalt in here. Oh, that needs to get, I have to reach up in here with the Mini X and dig that out of here one of these days. Let me show you what we got. Basically, we're gonna run, not exactly 12 inches tall. Needs to be 88 inches on the bottom side. So I need 101.5 inches of material. So I'll go cut those. Oh, come on, old tractor. These things have got more safeties on them. I'm not used to safeties. All right. Got our mobile workbench going over here. So we'll just measure out 101.5 on this thing, cut it off, and then we'll start figuring the tapers out on it, cut those. Should be good to go, should set in there. We'll just weld it in here in a few spots. Voila, we're done. On to the next project. One. All right, little sawzalling and we got it, I think. We got her. It was a little violent, but we got her. My arm did not like that shaking vibration, so. One more, I won't bore you with that one. I'll cut it off real quick and then we can start figuring angles. So I made this little line. I'm just gotta measure from there to nothing. Cut those on both sides. And then in theory, it just fits right in and bolts up. So I'll measure those real quick. We'll transfer them over to there, to my stuff, and pretty much should just bolt in and work. 6 3/4, 6. I think hotter than the hots of hotness. That should make them fit. Not ready for snow, it's too hot. I just realized that I have one of these metal skill saws. That's gonna make my life so much easier here. So we got things all drawn out, so I'm gonna cut that line clear off, then I'll 45 it back to this line because it's gonna stick up above tailgate. I need that to fit right. So let's do some chopping. That thing's awesome. One down, one to go. You're right, it's hot. What the heck? How did I screw that up? Clear to the end of it. I should have cut it off. Daylighted it out. Ah! Well, that just took longer than it needed to now. Today's video is sponsored by Raycon. Wear them all the time. Raycon's everyday earbuds are made to make your everyday just a little easier.
The quality of Raycons rivals some of the biggest names in premium audio, and Raycons start at just half the price as the other guys. Some features are 32-hour battery life, awareness mode, and it's weatherproof and sweat resistant.
Sometimes my dad's music gets boring, so I have to put my Raycons in, so I listen to my own music.
One of my favorite things about Raycons is these little jelly, I don't even know what this is, but they literally make it so comfortable to wear these. They do not hurt, they don't fall out. They're great little earbuds. So there's noise cancellation.
I don't even need earplugs when I'm grinding, when I got my Raycons in. And I can listen to music while I'm grinding.
Another thing I like about these, it's got a quick charging function. You can charge these bad boys in like 10 minutes. So go to buyraycon.com/fabrats to get 20 to 50% off site-wide.
That's right, you can get up to 50% off on everything on Raycon's website. When you go to buyraycon.com/fabrats.
You guys should go get you some of these while the deal's good. Back to the video.
All right, I'm gonna walk you through why this didn't work. All right, if you look at these, I drew a mark at 6 inches, which I knew that this side here was 6 inches tall. And I knew from here to there was 6 inches. So I marked it here. And then for some reason I decided I needed to go clear to the corner, which I did not. I needed to go to the end. I should have went from 6 to there, which it would have been perfect. And then I should have went from here to there to make my angle right on that. So we're gonna weld that back together, and then I'm gonna go ahead and cut it the right way. I'm probably gonna cut the other one real quick so that it's done, and then we'll just be able to put it in. I think she'll fit now. All right, going up on it. I mean, that's fitting. All right, so this is attempt number 2. That looks way better right there. That's way closer to what it should have been. So somebody got a little excited and cut off the line right here. Otherwise it would have been perfect. So no big deal. I'll just fire the old saw back up, trim a little on the bottom side. She'll fit perfect, and I'll weld that thing in. This one, we'll weld it back together and I'll make it fit perfect here shortly. Oh, I think it's got something on it. All right, this side's pretty much handled. Look at that. Sideboard built. Tom's got me a little cap piece built for it right there. I'll weld that sucker in. And then I can fix my screw up on the other side. Build the exhaust stack, get that fixed. We're ready to go make a load. We'll see how this works. If I was smart and knew how to measure or read a tape measure, I'd be done by now. But now I'm not. Go ahead and weld that all back together, cut it out the proper way, and then we can weld the other side in. We got one done. It looks good. It's gonna be nice. This will keep dirt from sloughing off the side. We'll get this done and we'll go get a load of concrete from Orderville, bring and dump out here. So see how this works. All right, once again, this is why I'm not a carpenter. because I can weld that back together and recut it, and it's good as new. If that was a piece of 2x12, I'd just be sad. I'd be doing it again with another piece. So I'll cut those little black lines this time, and it will fit and look like it's supposed to this time. Says in the fine print, it fits now. Oh, I gotta grind that stuff off first. Kind of sweating up here. Yeah, it's just toasty. Oh, well, you welded it in the middle even. Hey, look at that, some waters. You're better than a maid, I'm telling you what, man. Look at that, Colt. Colt builds that just showed up in the yard.
How we doing?
It's good, how are you, man?
Not too bad.
Serves you right. Fun stuff.
Making this thing taller?
Burning.
Yeah.
Does it fit? Like a glove. Come on. I mean, you did it on my second try. I'm pretty good. I'll tack that. Good. That's way close enough for everything I do. She ain't falling. Colt BS'd us for a while. He's got lots of miles to put on, so he's out of here. They got lots of driving left, so thanks for stopping by and saying hi to us. All right, I got this job done. Check that out. She is whipped. The 360 view. So finished. I'm gonna go put this thing to work and haul some concrete. Later in the day, it's actually night. We had a lot of stuff I got sidetracked with. Colt stopping by. You gotta catch up with old friends. So you're gonna build. I say we go throw some concrete on this thing and haul it up here and dump it. So let's go get a load. We're out of here. Go trucking. This is a little place I've been working on for a bit. Michelle's been mostly working on it. Me, I just come when I get told to. But the driveway seems to be my job. I tore it out yesterday. I'm gonna load it in that truck and haul it off. We got one of many loads done. Sideboards are awesome. So, I go home and dump it. Successful trip. Loads dumped. It's all good. I got a bunch more loads to make. We'll get them done tonight, and then on to other stuff. It's morning. We got the dump truck all finished yesterday. Today, we're gonna make basically a fifth wheel plate for my forklift, so that I can move my camp trailer around. Fifth wheel trailer is just easier stuff. So this is leftover from the sideboards. All right, I have one of these here plates. I'm gonna go ahead and figure out where the end of the forks are. Cut that out, weld it in right there. Should be pretty simple, pretty straightforward and easy. And then we'll cut a hole in it wherever the hole for the forks are, so we can pin it on. And we should be moving camp trailers around shortly with it. So figured I got the welder already here. We don't quite have the transmission for this thing back yet, so I'll get some little projects knocked out of the way. All right, we gotta figure out where the end of the forks are so we can know where to cut this off. 19 enchiladas. Figuring this out as we go here. We're gonna go ahead and cut part of this out real quick. We should be able to cut the circle out. We'll set it down in, cut the circle out, and go to welding. Well, it's gonna fit. Cut the bottom out. Should drop right out the bottom, and we can go to welding that thing in there. And I'll just cut it off. We'll be good to go. Weld that thing in. Set that in there. It's winning. Handle. I think we're ready to weld. Welded together. Alrighty, check this out. We got this thing whipped. It's the bottom side. It's a little hot. There's the top side. So I think I'll just take and weld that ball in it right there. I don't need anything else, so we'll just weld that sucker in, and then we got to figure out where the hole goes. We're winning. She is built. I can move my camp trailers now. Another little welding project off the list. Thanks for watching.